was a total throwback at the Children's Museum Gala, rewinding to 1999.
Every year the event theme changes, and last year was a haunted noir and the year before that was Studio 54. So we wanted to focus on 1990s and really throw it back to those nostalgic prom night movies like Clueless and She's All That, and we really drew our inspiration from that 1990s prom. Here we are, party like it's 1999.
Welcome everyone to Prom Night!
The outfits are amazing. She's literally wearing a prom dress from 1996. What year is it from?
1998.
Both of us, our kids, our kids are still young enough that they love the Children's Museum. It's been so special for both of our families, but I think it's also really important what the museum does in the community. For families who maybe don't have the access that our kids have, and it's such a wonderful organization, and it's only getting better. And we're just so grateful for all these people who showed up for the kids tonight.